Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the charging animation on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic effects. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on charging animation. Now from here, you can select the charging animation you like. Just like that. Now from here, once you select the charging animation you like, just tap on apply. Now from here, if you lock the screen of your smartphone, now from here, if you plug in your smartphone to the charger, you can see that we have successfully changed the charging animation on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the charging animation on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.